This is my solar hot water heating system. It consists of 3 panels that are 20 inches tall and 12 feet long from a company called Solar Roofs in California, and 1 panel that's 4 feet high and 7 feet long that was actually manufactured by a company in Switzerland. The other panel you see up there is a small electric PV panel that drives the pump. When there's enough sunlight out to heat the water, there's enough sunlight out to actually provide power to the pump and pump the water up through. The system's clamped to the standing seam roof using S5 clamps. You can see them there. So this whole system is on the roof, and I didn't penetrate the roof once to put it up here. The water comes in the bottom. It flows up through the first panel and the second panel and the third panel and the fourth panel, and you can see where it goes back into the house up underneath the eaves. You can also see the electric wire up there that goes from the solar panel down into the house, so I didn't have to penetrate the roof for that as well. This is the inside of the hot water heating system. It consists of 2 Lochinvar solar hot water heater tanks. One of them is 80 gallons and one of them is 65 gallons. So I have 145 gallons total of hot water storage. These tanks are hooked in series, so it pulls the water out of this cool tank. That's the solar hot water pump. You can hear that probably running. That pumps up, goes up through the solar panels, comes back down, and goes into the hot tank. Then from the hot tank, it goes through this copper pipe right here, up and over, and back into the cold tank. So it constantly cycles, but it's pulling out the cold water and sticking it into the hot water tank. Right now, it's just started to be afternoon, and you can see that the water that's going up to the panels is about 130 degrees, and the water that's coming back is about 175 degrees. Right now the water in the tank is 140. That'll get up to, on a good day, that'll get up to 170 or 180. But because of that, you don't want 170 water degree at your tap, coming out your tap. So there is a tempering valve. That's what that thing is right there. And it mixes cold water with the hot water to get into the house. You can set the temperature on it. And that's the extent of my solar hot water heater system. The thing on the wall over there is a DC power supply so it has a temperature sensor up on the roof for freeze protection. So if the temperature gets below a certain point, it'll turn the pump on. It'll force the pump on, like in the middle of the night when there's no sun, to force warm water up through the panels until the panels warm up, and then it'll stop it.